This video will show you how to replace your filters on your TITAN WaterFed system. Changing the carbon/sediment filter. Step 1. Loosen the housing by turning counterclockwise with the provided small wrench. Step 2. Remove the old carbon filter and discard it. Step 3. Insert new carbon filter. Step 4. Tighten housing back by hand, turning it clockwise. Do not tighten with a wrench. You can apply lubricant to the O-ring on housing to improve seal and prolong O-ring life. Changing the DI filter. Step 1. Loosen the housing by turning counterclockwise with the provided large wrench. Step 2. Remove the old DI filter and discard or refill with new resin. Step 3. Insert new DI filter with gasket side facing up. Step 4. Tighten housing back by hand, turning it clockwise. Do not tighten with a wrench. You can apply lubricant to the O-ring on housing to improve seal and prolong O-ring life. Changing the RO membrane. Step 1. Detach the brass elbow from the top of the RO housing. Step 2. Partially loosen one side of the clamp using a 9/16 socket and crescent wrench. Then fully remove the other bolt. Then remove the clamp. Step 3. Using a flathead screwdriver and rubber mallet, remove the top cap. It is helpful to stand on the base of the frame while removing the cap. Step 4. Pull out the used membrane with a pair of pliers, rotating as you pull upwards. Grab the membrane by the outer fins with pliers. Step 5. Lubricate the O-ring on the membrane and insert new membrane into housing with the O-ring side facing up. Step 6. Reinsert plastic housing cap and lightly hit the top with a mallet until the bottom lip becomes flush with the stainless steel housing. Step 7. Reinstall the metal clamps using the same tools in Step 2. Tighten one side halfway before fully tightening the other side. Step 8. Reattach brass fitting elbow to the top of the RO housing.